In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to check your Cash App card balance without using the app. Step 1. Head to the Cash App help page. Step 2. Proceed by scrolling down and selecting Contact Support, which will direct you to a new page. Step 3. Input either your registered mobile number or email address and press Enter. Once connected with the customer support team, simply inquire about your cash card balance. Then, they will request some account details for verification purposes. And upon confirming the relevant information associated with your Cash App account, they will provide you with your current cash card balance. Besides checking your balance, you also have the option to request the 24 months transaction history of your Cash App account. Alternatively, if you prefer to inquire about your available funds on your card, you can call 1-800-969-1940. In case you don't have the Cash App mobile application, you can still verify your Cash App card balance through the Cash App official website. To do this, visit the Cash App official website, log in using your credentials, and your account balance will be displayed on your dashboard of your Cash App user account. And that's how to check your Cash App card balance without using the app.